Hi guys, so this video is for Doraemon, as you can see. He's so cute. Yeah, he has his favorite food, a bracelet over there, and another there that I made, and a heart. He's so cute. So here's his friends. His first friend here is Vanilla. Yeah. So the third one is here, Ellie. He's has like a pillow toy, and he's an elephant. So this is Ellie. So one of his best friends is this. This is Frog, or his name is Froggy. This one like that. Simple, really good for backgrounds like that. Yeah. So they're friends, the best friends forever. I really like that. Thanks for watching. Hope you like it.